You may have heard about the damaging effects of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, but did you know there's another greenhouse gas that's also a threat? It's called methane, and it accounts for 30% of the current rise in global temperature. But there are microorganisms deep below Earth's surface that can absorb both carbon dioxide and methane and keep them out of the atmosphere. Here are 5 fun facts about these deep sea microorganisms. They have such slow metabolisms that they can go many thousands of years without eating or reproducing until conditions are just right for them to thrive. This might mean fluid coming out of the ocean floor, ice thawing in the Arctic, or some other kind of environmental change. These microbes weren't discovered until the 1980s because it is so hard to prove they exist. Because they don't grow or reproduce during a human lifetime, researchers can't cultivate these long lived microbes in a petri dish. Scientists only know they are alive because they find the microbes in bodies of water or in sediments and can see that they are interacting with the chemicals around them. There are about 40 billion tons of these microbes beneath us in mud on the seafloor, in hot springs, and in the Arctic permafrost, which is made up of frozen soil and sediment. These subsurface microbes don't rely on sunlight and they need very little energy to grow. While humans need about 100 watts of energy per day to survive, one of these microbes only needs 1/60th of a watt. Many hot springs release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, but some, like those studied by USC professor Karen Lloyd, don't. Why? Because microbes living at the bottom of the spring absorb the carbon dioxide and turn it into minerals. This can keep the carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere for thousands or even millions of years. Dr. Lloyd is also studying methane-eating microbes in California's San Pedro Channel. Methane occurs naturally in the ocean as plants and animals die and decay, but human activity in Los Angeles is also creating a lot of methane, and it's flowing into the ocean. Dr. Lloyd is studying whether the microbes in the channel can eat enough methane to keep up with the amount that is currently being produced so that we know how much of it might be escaping into the atmosphere.